Welcome to SC Custom Designs. You're probably wondering where I've been these days and what I've been up to. Usually I'm posting at least one video a week, but I here at SC Custom Designs have been quite busy creating bandsaw boxes. And if it's your first time listening to a video about bandsaw boxes, you're going to wonder, why does he say bandsaw box? None of these look like boxes. Essentially, these units are entirely cut out from a bandsaw from joined up wood, which is basically most of these, if not all of them, are joined up wood. But you can cut them out of logs, solid pieces, whatever. And as far as the design, that comes out of your head. Just have a lot of fun with it. But I thought I'd throw up a real quick video because it's been a long time since I've posted. I've been very, very busy here in the wood shop. At the moment, I'm out in the poly shed. If you have never seen the episode on the poly shed, please just search in SC Custom Designs or Stephen Larkin in YouTube, and we talk about the evolution of the poly shed. So it's basically still daylight out, and as you can see, the light comes in. And so there you go. All right. So how do you make these? I'm going to be putting out a course. Please let me know. Give me a thumbs up and a comment if you'd like to learn how to make bandsaw boxes. I feel like I need to come to the side so you can see how unique they are. This one here is, the front is oak, the back is oak. This used to be completely sealed together, and you didn't even know that it wasn't two pieces, but out here in the poly shed in the heat, it cracked open. But we're going to do an episode on a company that sponsored SC Custom Designs to talk about their glue. Please tune in for that. You're going to be very impressed with that glue. Still experimenting with it. So this is a SC Custom Designs original. This here, you've probably seen these boxes out there that look like this. These here are completely original. Let's come up above and maybe look down a little bit. So all the pieces you're seeing are cut out from themselves and put back together. And I also use the this glue that I'll be talking about to glue up the drawers, which, that can be quite tedious to glue these drawers up. And, lots of clamps, this and that and the other. But this new glue that I'm using, the company's been around for 19, 20 years, but new to me, allows you to glue the front to the side and the back, so on and so forth, literally within a couple of minutes. And it's completely sealed and ready to go and secured. So that's where I've been. If you're in the local area, please come to the Jefferson Middle School or High School or whatever this is, December 4th. If you've ever wanted to support SC Custom Designs, you can come out and you can get your Christmas gifts. So these are still in the rough, and I've got more bandsaw boxes. I've got more that I've made in the past, and I've got more still in the wood shop. But these guys are stained, and they have their first coat, and I'm not sponsored by the company, by Formsby Tung Oil Finish, and this is a high gloss. And the beauty of this product here, unlike polyurethane, where you get a one-shot deal and you have to be very well versed in using it, tung oil, you can just wipe it on and the wood absorbs what it absorbs, and within 15 minutes you just wipe it off, which I did with this rag here. Don't tell my wife, that's from the kitchen. Whoops. And then you come back for another coat and another coat, and as many as it takes. So there we go. Thanks for watching and coming into the poly shed of SC Custom Designs. Take care. We'll do our usual goodbye. Shalom uvracha. Masalami. Ruh munhon inte. Tot ziens. Zeit jen. Take care. God bless. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up and leave your comments. I will get back to your comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.